Where's my passport? Yes.
Ma'am, we didn't receive any report from the room 712.
What do you mean? I really forgot it there.
Ma'am, the room is already booked and we don't have any report that anything left.
Do you really clean it properly?
Yes, ma'am, maybe you fall asleep and left it where you go.
No. No, I didn't. Can you find it for me?
Sorry, ma'am, we can't help you. You need to figure out by yourself or go somewhere like barangay near you and report
Fine.
it.
Fine. Thank you. Okay? Kawawa naman to. Saan na kaya nawala yung wallet tsaka passport? Oh, nabalitaan mo na ba? Yung babaeng nawalan ng wallet tsaka passport. Uti, kawawa naman siya. Sana may mabuting loob na magbalik ng passport at wallet niya, no? Sana nga. Paano kaya yan makaka-uwi sa ibang bansa, sa kanila? Hayaan mo, ipagdarasal na lang natin siya na sana may balik na sa kanya yung nawawala, yung wallet tsaka passport. Tama, ipagdasal din natin na sana na nasa mabuting lagayan siya. Sige, chat mo na lang ako kapag may update na, no? Sige, salamat. Sige, update kita. Sige. I'm here to give you back your passport and wallet. Here. Thank you so much. I found it nearby, so I know that you're the owner of it is nearby too. Do you want me to pay you back? Here, take this. No, it's fine. I don't need kapalit. Really? Yes. And do you want to go to my place? I can cook for you. Yes, I'm hungry. Do you want to come? Come, follow me.